Hey, it's Abhi here. Welcome to the video. I'm going to talk about why you are not able to make any affiliate sales and how to solve that problem. So the two main problems that people have is traffic. First of all is traffic generation, and second is the type or the offer that they pick to promote. They simply go to WarriorPlus or JVZoo and then blindly pick any offer and just try solo ads or run Google ads or maybe upload a couple of videos and see if they convert or not. So these two are major problems, and this is why you are not able to make any affiliate sales. So let me just talk about this real quick, right? So first let's talk about the traffic. What people don't realize is traffic is everywhere, right? It is everywhere. All you need to do is pick a platform, right? Pick one. It could be YouTube, it could be Insta, it could be TikTok, it could be Pinterest, whatever, right? Don't upload a couple of videos and expect to make affiliate sales. That's not how it works. You need to build an audience, and this is the easiest and the free way, without costing a dime, the free way to generate massive traffic. And you're simply chasing these all these 4 or 5 rabbits at once. It's hard to even pick 2 rabbits at once, right? Just focus on one rabbit, right? For example, me here, I focus on YouTube, right? And we don't need a lot of views. We just need the right kind of views, the right kind of traffic to our right offers. I'm going to talk about offer as well. So to our right offers that we picked, and that will translate to affiliate commissions. It's as simple as that. There is no secret. So if you want to do what I do, and if you want to get buyer intent traffic that will make you sales, then you can check out the buyer wave method that I created, and it's right here. All right. So if you click the link in the description, you will be taken to this page, this sales page here. You can read all about it. You can check out the results. As you can see, few views and I made money, right? And these are not just these 2 examples. There are a lot of examples that I can share with you. So if you can put your head down and work, then this works, right? So there you go. I solved your traffic problem right here. Now let's talk about the offer. So let's talk about that. Okay. Let me make that a line here. So to pick the right offer, you need the right kind of offer in order to get sales. Okay, I am in the make money online niche, so I'm going to talk about that. Like for example, the WarriorPlus or JVZoo offers, there are like 99% crap offers, but there are 1%, 5% offers that are actually good, and I'm going to show you how to vet these vendors out and how to find these offers that genuinely provides value and that will make you money. Okay, so for the offers, right, I have this 5-point checklist that I go through in order to check whether these offers are worth it to promote or not. So point number 1, right, in our checklist, point number 1 is it a solution or is it a shiny object? Just another object that we all chase around. A good product solves a problem here and provides a solution, and a shiny object just makes you go around circles, doesn't deliver any proper value, and you just spend money for no reason. So let me show you an example for that. So this is an offer that I would say is bad, right? The best example of a bad offer, of an offer that we can call a shiny object. So the name of this product is Secret Cash Link. Paste a link into a box, our simplest ever hands-off system. Ready for a method anyone can learn from. Super simple cash link system. Get set up in minutes. Copy and paste link into a box. Nothing else to do. Nothing else to do ever. Free traffic also included. Like wow, you just buy this product and you can get rich quick. That's what it says, right? I don't even need to read the rest of the page here, right? Let's just take a look at the screenshot of Dawood Islam here, right? This is the vendor, as you can see, and he shows you the screenshot of today, yesterday, the major numbers. But if you notice something, his affiliate stats is 0, like barely anything, right? He is a vendor. He makes his money, creating his offers and selling that using WarriorPlus. And people like you and me just fall for this, secret link system, the box system, and we just spend that $19, $17, $7, whatever, right? Okay, anyway, right off the bat, I will not promote this product, right? And now let me show you a good sales page, okay? It could be hypey, it could be like this shiny stuff, but it should solve a specific problem, okay? So this is, for example, an offer from JK Dowdle, a vendor that I highly respect, and I am a frequent customer customer of his because his is quality products. Okay, so here for example, are you an affiliate marketer with less than 100 sales? 2025 blueprint, the repeatable strategy to sell 100 copies of any affiliate product and build a targeted email list of prospects while doing it. See the difference here, right? He's not promising any huge cash machine or anything. He is simply giving you a strategy that you'll be able to follow and get your first 100 sales with affiliate marketing. All right, very simple, straight to the forward testimonials, and that's what I like to see. All right, so let's go back. The second, the second criteria that I do to vet my offers is checking vendors' ratings. So for example, let's check it out again. Right, so this secret cash link is from Daud Islam, right? So I went to WarriorPlus and I checked his profile, and you can see, right? You can see the average rating that he have. This is like just one rating here, and for this just one rating here, right? So that really doesn't count. We need multiple ratings here. So his overall ratings as a vendor is 2.52. He's struggling to even manage 3 ratings on his products, on his launches. So it's safe to say you need to stay away from any upcoming products from this vendor right here. And at the same time, right, as I said, JK Dowdle, one of the vendors that I highly respect. Why? Because you can see the ratings here. You can see after 24,000 sales and 303 ratings, you can see he is maintaining more than 4.5 stars. So that is excellent. So after this track record, you are sure that his upcoming products that you're going to promote are gonna be quality as well. So whenever you are going to this affiliate offer section and find an offer, make sure to check the vendor's profile and see if they have a proven track record, and also see if they have good ratings or not. All right, so that's my second point. My third point would be, is there a congruent funnel for that product or not? So what do I mean by that? So for example, if a product is teaching you for teaching you YouTube traffic, and then the upsell, right, the funnel, the upsell would teach you how to sell a software, right? How to sell a software, how to run a software. So there is no connection. So that will not be a congruent funnel. But if the vendor is promoting YouTube training and he is, as an upsell, teaches you how to rank videos, for example, how to rank videos on the top of the search result, then that is a congruent funnel. Upsell, I mean. So that's my third point. Now let's talk about the fourth point here. The fourth point is proof. Are there testimonials, right? We want to promote offers that bring genuine solutions to these problems that people are having. So for that, we can look at the testimonials on the sales page. What are they saying, right? We can check for the proofs. And the fifth point would be a gut check. Let me write that down. Gut check. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, this means asking yourself, like, would I sell this product to someone who I respect, to my family member? If the answer to that is yes, then yes, promote that product. So when you start to filter all the products with all these points, you stop wasting time on products that were never going to sell in the first place. All right. And also you start to build that trust with your audience, and you will start to make consistent sales here, because you're promoting things that actually work. So guys, this checklist is the exact foundation that I use in my buyer wave method. Module number 1, again, it's a brand new course that I launched. Currently, it is on this launch price of $70, and it will increase. Let me just take a look at. This is the sales page. If you go down, you will see a timer. So about 4 days, and after 4 days it will increase to $27, and then after that it will increase to $47. And I will keep improving, keep adding more modules based on the feedback. And if you need any help, there is a private Facebook group as well. So yeah, if you want to check that out, you can check the link in the description. So that's about it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you will follow, and I am pretty sure that you will be able to make affiliate sales if you follow this. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.